It's spicy today. It's like really spicy. It's hot. It's welcome to Canada. It's it's really cold one day and then it's muggy and you're sweating everywhere. Welcome. We're back for another video. Today's video, we are doing a COBB Accessport actually. And if you don't know what a COBB Accessport is, it's this little doohickey right here. And this I believe is the version 3. I bought it used, so I don't get all the fancy packaging, but basically this is what comes in it. It comes with this little mount that was used. I'm not going to be using it. Alongside with the mount, it comes with like the backing plate that just kind of like slides in there, and then a little sticky thing sticks to it. I don't want this. I don't like it. I'm very like clean wiring. I don't like it. But it also comes with like this little USB. So I guess you can hook up to like your computer, or your tuner can hook up to it. It also comes with an OBD2 cable. I bought it used just because, these are really expensive. If you look at the pricing, it's kind of crazy. So I did save quite a bit of money, and honestly, like, it's in really good shape. Now, why do you want one of these? Well, if you own a Subaru, whether you know what it is or what it isn't, you probably want one. Basically, yeah. If you have a Subaru, there's a good chance you have one. I know Mazdas get them and whatnot, and there's a lot of other companies that also, or a lot of other car brands that have them, but mainly I feel like a lot of Subaru guys get them. And the main purpose to them is to be able to watch your engine and kind of see what's going on with it, and then it also allows you to kind of know if your engine's going to blow up. It kind of gives you like an insight as to what's going on with your engine before something happens. And you could read lots of different things about your engine, and I'm not going to go into it today. It allows you to see what's going on with your engine, and it also allows your tuner to have a lot easier time tuning your car. I also know a lot of tuners, all they want to do is tune on this, and if you don't have one of these, they'll probably turn you away, just because a lot of people, they swear by these. It's a lot easier. You can load up a map, you can change them out. It's just what everyone does nowadays. And installing this is really easy, so I'm going to show you real quick. This is what you do. While the car is off, go ahead and plug your OBD cable in. That is my Blackview Magic Pro box. While the car's still off, go ahead and plug in your access port. Just like so. You'll see it's going to start booting up. And the car's still off. We're not doing nothing. Okay, up, down, whatever. Okay. So into your vehicle. It's doing the things. Okay. We're going to go to the ignition switch on. So don't turn your car on, but ignition has to be on. And turn your AC off and all that. Confirm that that's your car. Yes. Now you can go through, you can pick your stages of what you want. Okay, we're going to do stage 1, 91. Continue. Continue. Okay, as you can see, it's installing and the car's going crazy. So I'm going to let this all install. Okay, yeah, I forgot to put it in off and then turn it back on, but the car is doing its thing. It's going nuts. This is uploading, so I'm going to come right back to you guys when this is finished. Okay, turn the car back off. Continue. Turn the ignition key on. So again, back on, but not the engine. Okay, turn the car back off for 15 seconds. So this thing finally just finished. I've been slowly sweating away to nothing. We're gonna go ahead, turn the car on now. And we are now connected. So that's your gauges. As you can see, everything is ignition timing for the most part. Later on, I'll go through this and change it to whatever I'd like. But you can see it works. Now I can go ahead and I can mount it right here with the mount that came with it, or I can get a A-pillar mount mounted up there. You know, there's a lot of different places you can put this. I've even seen people put these over here, which, yes, it works, but I really wanted that for my airlift controller, so I wanted this separate. Me being me, I like everything kind of looking clean, OEM, like it was always meant to be there, and I don't like seeing wires. As you can see, I was very specific of not being able to see this wire. Yes, you can see it a little bit, but compared to like the original one that comes down to here, it's a lot cleaner. We're doing the same thing with this. So I'm going to show you guys right now what my plan is with this. Okay, so I bought this from Fast WRX, and I've not yet looked at it. And I ordered it from Fast WRX because I don't believe there's anyone else that carries this as of right now. And does it say anything? There, it's the MACH V Accessport vent mount for the VA. And this is the one I wanted. And I will show you exactly why. Guess if you need that, that's there. Comes with a little Allen key, I guess if you don't have one. And this is the vent mount. Now, you do pay a pretty penny for this. I'm not gonna lie. But what I liked about this mount compared to other vent mounts is it's actually molded plastic. The other ones work, but I found because they were 3D printed, for at least for the most part of the other ones that are out there on the market, because they were 3D printed, you'd see all like the grains from like the print, which I'm not a huge fan of. It doesn't look clean. Like if I bought those, I was going to try to like sand it and like make it look clean and give it a paint, but that's a lot of work for, in all honesty. And just the build quality in this in general, it's a very hard plastic. You can tell there's a lot of R&D put into this, and honestly, it looks really good. So you're still able to keep your vent, as you can see. Your defroster is there, and you can store your Accessport just right inside. So that's what it's going to look like in your car. Very clean, simple. I like it a lot. So I just quickly unscrewed it. And another thing I want to point out is there's actually like nut inserts, which is really nice. So it's not like plastic you're screwing into that could strip out. Also, this still like has a vent, so like all your air should be able to still flow up and out of these vents right here, which I think the other 3D printed models do not have. So in my honest opinion, this is the best mount out there for your COBB Accessport for the VA chassis. And it is a little pricey, I can't lie, but I think you're getting what you pay for. You know what? I think you're getting a quality part. I think it's well worth it. You can tell there's a lot of R&D that went into this, and I think it'll be a very nice, clean, finished look. Let's start throwing this sucker in. It does replace the OEM defroster, and it really shouldn't be too difficult to throw in. So let's quickly do that. As you can see, it's really clamped in there. That's what's really nice about this, is it gives it a nice, clean OEM look. It's nice and secured. You don't have to worry about it. And you don't have those ugly lines from the 3D printing. And you know what? You still get your defroster, which is really nice. And it should actually work very well because it does have the ducting, unlike other vents. Something I'd like to point out is the amount of R&D that went into this. And on the side, there's like these little push, like pressure clips or whatever. So when you take your access port and you plug it in, okay, and you line it up right there. Nice and secure. You don't have to worry about it going anywhere. And it looks really clean, in my honest opinion. And once everything is back in, that's your finished product. You're ready for more power, baby. I honestly have to say this is by far the nicest mount on the market as of right now. Just by looks, location, overall, like I feel like it's very secure. I'm not worried about this going anywhere. The only thing that might be concerning is it's, you know, everyone can see that you have this in your car, but the normal person won't know what it is. They might just think it's like a GPS or something. So you do have to worry about theft, I guess. But I mean, other than that, like, I think it's clean. I think it looks really good. And I feel like most people that have a Subaru have it up here anyways, so it is what it is. I highly recommend it. The price tag is a little bit high, but I do think you're, you know, paying for quality at this point just because it is the best thing on the market. I've been sweating out here like crazy. I think it's like 35 or something. I'm tired. I want to go inside. So if you guys liked the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. This is my first Accessport, so I don't know everything about them. I know a little bit here and there. I'll probably make another video where I kind of go through and kind of explain some things, what I want to watch when driving the car and whatnot, and just kind of how to use the Accessport. But it's pretty simple. It's not too difficult to use. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Maybe make more videos in the future. You never know. And with this mod, you're ready for more power. So, take it easy, guys.